Hey man, this picture is amazing. How did you do it?
Oh, thanks, man. Let me explain. I was surfing the internet doing important stuff. Then I saw the news.
I remember the good old days. Not those.
Another huge setback for the CIA. An American
In
agent
Washington
has been
today,
taken into
more
custody.
rumors of
I really got inspired and I wanted to create a picture based on their concept art.
I created the environment in Blender, but it looked bad. I felt sad because my skills are limiting my creativity. And I wanted to quit.
Hold on, I'm hungry. I'm gonna order a pizza. Oh, sorry for the interruption. Okay, keep going.
At that time, I decided to do something that I haven't done before, to paint all the lights in Photoshop.
Hit it, boys.
I started painting the light and shadows one by one, and it looked like as if I'm turning on the switch. I added both characters, and here's the final picture. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? God damn it.